What you saying, people? Back with a bang.
This is the Money Management. It's Financial Friday. And of course, if you've seen yesterday's video, you knew today was going to be a different Financial Friday. In today's video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how I made almost $1,200 off of these. Yes, Ring Doorbells, video doorbells. Now, a lot of you have been asking me, sending me DMs, commenting on my previous videos, all sorts of that, asking me how I made profit off of doorbells. How did I make money off of Ring Doorbells? Obviously, everybody wants to know how to turn this into this. So I'm going to explain it to you guys today, and hopefully you can take notes, learn from me, and go and profit off it yourself. So funny enough, it's a very interesting industry. It's something different, something you don't expect to profit off of. Many of my friends are surprised when I say I make profit off of Ring Doorbells. And again, this thing here is easy, it's simple, but you have patience. So to start off with, you need to be able to purchase at least 10 of these, I'd say, on Amazon, eBay if you can do it individually, even Craigslist. Find places, even if it's Facebook Marketplace, where you can purchase a bunch of these. The easiest way to purchase it is off Amazon. I buy about 10 of these for just over $500 off Amazon.
Ring 2, I buy about 5 of them.
Just under $400. It's more expensive, but when you sell them, you get a lot more money. People are paying way more for Ring 2 than they are for Ring 1. Ring 1 is still selling, but Ring 2 is even selling even more. That's why I have none left right now. So, again, it's simple. You buy a bunch of these. I'd say if you buy 10 of them, you get them for $51, between $50 and $55. You buy one, or you're going individually, you're going to get them for around $65, $70. The smartest way to do it is buy a bunch of them. Don't hesitate, don't dibble, dabble, any of that. Just jump into it, buy a bunch of these in bulk. Trust me, it's going to pay off. Now, once you purchased it, you're going to receive them. Obviously, take pictures, snap them, good angles, and write a good description. List these on Facebook Marketplace, list them on eBay. Show them you got them on social media. Trust me, it's going to pay off.
Now, the way to do this, once you've listed them, Facebook Marketplace,
You're going to get a ton of offers. You're going to get a ton of people interested. Unfortunately, you're going to get many people say, I'll buy one $50. I'll get two for $100. I'll buy one for $60. Will you take 40? Ignore those messages. But you will get the people who say, I'll buy it for 80. You might list it for 100, they'll say I'll buy it for 80. You might list it for 120, they'll say I'll buy it right now. Yesterday, as you may have seen, I literally listed one online. I got my $100 within that hour and a half of listing it. From listing it to the person giving me the money and me giving them the doorbell, I got my $100 right there and then. How much did I pay for the doorbell? $51. That's a $49 profit. Pretty simple. Those of you who want to make money,
those of you who want to collect these,
be prepared to be patient.
those of you who want to get this,
Be prepared to be patient. Those of you who want to get a lot of this, be prepared to be patient. You will get a lot of annoying people who are not actually interested in your doorbell. They'll ask you, is this still available? Yes, it's available. No answer. I get at least 5 of those per day. But I tell you, each one that you list, within the first day, within the first 24 hours, you're going to get at least 10 people who are interested, and 5 of those are actually interested, potential customers. You have to take that and use it to your advantage. If you don't understand what I'm saying, it means list them and watch the offers roll in, and be careful who you pick. Now, many people are asking me, why would people buy it for so much more when they can get it on Amazon for cheaper, for this price, for that price? Why would people buy it from you when they can get it from eBay, from an assured seller, this and that? A lot of people don't have credit cards. People don't have debit cards. People don't have Amazon accounts. People don't want to make Amazon accounts. People don't have a lot of things. People would rather get a transaction done in an hour and a half where they can collect the doorbell, look at it in person, see the person giving it to them, than purchase it online. A lot of people don't want to take the risk of buying stuff online. Something like a doorbell, people don't want to buy it that much. People would rather come and see you in person and purchase it from you. Funny enough, it's actually true and it actually works. If you're smart, you can double your money off each of these doorbells. It took me a while before I got to that level, but just under 2 weeks ago, I purchased one of these, about $53. Sold it 3 days later, $120. Yes, it is really possible. It is really simple, but it just takes patience, like I said. Again, people will buy it from you for the price, whatever you set. People will negotiate, but you be patient, you're going to get your money. Just be patient and you'll get your money. So it's pretty simple. Like I said, you buy a bunch in bulk, list them individually, write a description, take pictures,
list them on various websites.
and watch the offers roll in. When you get the offers, you find out what you want to sell it for, how much you're going to profit, all that stuff is up to you. But the money is there. Get Ring 1s, get Ring 2s, and make yourself some money. So that's it for today's video, guys. Thanks a lot for watching. Make sure you check out the first link in the description. That's my easy guide to online profits if you want to know more ways how to make money. Pretty simple. Check out Time Gear Watches, link in the description below. But make sure you keep liking, subscribing, sharing, commenting. If you're new around here, make sure you click the red button. But I've got money to making. See you guys tomorrow for the weekend. Peace.